I am what I am because of the choices that I have made. Hi everyone, I'm Shipra. Welcome to day 5 of the affirmation challenge. How many times in life do we make our choices not because we actually want them, but because we are afraid of something? Fear of not being loved, fear of not being accepted, fear of failure, fear of unsuccessful future, fear of change, fear of taking a chance, whatever the reason may be. How many times in life do we make our choices actually because of fear and not because of free will? Think about it. So, what is that one thing that helps us overcome this fear? Self-love. The moment we start loving ourselves, the moment we start accepting ourselves, we start overcoming the fear. This belief that I am not good enough is one of the biggest roadblocks in the path of self acceptance. Until and unless you accept yourself the way you are, until and unless you start loving yourself, you cannot move forward to achieve what you really want in life. Whenever your fear tries to overpower you, try doing this simple exercise. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel the entire tension leaving your body. Feel the entire stress leaving your system. As you breathe, tell yourself, the stress is leaving out of my body. The tension is moving out of my system. The stress is leaving out of my body. The tension is moving out of my system. I am feeling relaxed. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling relaxed. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling energized. Repeat this 3 or 4 times until you start feeling better. Slowly, slowly, you will start feeling lighter and lighter, and you will feel the energy coming into your body. The fear will be replaced by the energy and love for yourself. While doing this exercise, if you have a little background music which is calm and soothing, it'll help you concentrate. Repeat the exercise until you feel better. Our fears also stop us from being our true self. So, the moment you feel more relaxed and the moment you feel energized, take some time to list down things that really make you happy. It could be as simple as dancing in the rain. Try to make a list of 7 to 8 things that you would do for yourself and they would bring smile on your face. Every day, at least do 2 to 3 of those things. The moment fear is taken over by self-love, our confidence increases. And as we become more confident, we start believing in ourselves. We start believing in our dreams and our desires. Our affirmations get the positive energy that we need. Take care, keep practicing your affirmations, and I'll see you with day 6. Good luck.